joint replacement is common enough, it's frequent enough, that everybody has encountered somebody who hasn't had the best of results.
First of all, they don't last forever, and they used to last 10 or 15 years. We think we'll get 25 to 30 years out of the joints that we're putting in now. But if you're 40 and you're getting a hip or knee replacement, you're looking at a second or third one potentially in your lifetime. And the second time around and third time around, the results are not as good.
It boggled my mind when people first told me about it, because I didn't quite figure out how do they do that. It's like building the ship in the bottle. But if you know how to do it, you can do it in a way that people are up walking and going home the same day.
I have so many patients say, show me the model, what do you do? And there's really this thought that, the whole distal femur is cut off and removed, and they don't realize that there's these really thin precision cuts, and it's really more of a resurfacing and a rebalancing of the knee. So that's their initial hesitation. The education that goes with that and the modeling and watching some of the videos makes them much more comfortable.
I don't want to let hip or knee pain be holding somebody back. My goal is forget that you had a hip or a knee replacement. That's like one of the biggest compliments that I could get as a surgeon is, oh, I don't even remember my hip replacement.
There is some fear that comes with the unknown, but by quantifying it and making the risks understandable, I think people can enter into any situation and just go in with eyes wide open.
And you see a sense of control that's instilled back in them because of the hard work they've put in. That's encouraging.